forgot there's only like 3 matches. I have to do this list. Oh shit.
This is not executed.
Oh my god.
It is executed well. Like it is executed well. It's falling, it's falling. Sing happy birthday really fast.
Happy birthday, right?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christine. Happy birthday to you. It's so ridiculous.
I like how he didn't even sing.
I was
Corinne
like,
was
no, because my brain turned off.
He's like,
you're just like worried about the
birthday.
You
candles.
hear my English? I was like, happy birthday, are you how? Or something like that. Like,
Are you Asian?
Yes, Dad.
oh, I got shot glasses.
Yeah.
Shot glasses, but you need to be in the. You need to be in the
Thanks.
shot. You're standing up.
Oh, it smells nice.
Oh, I don't want to smell it yet. I'm gonna ruin
Oh, I'm
it.
sorry.
Okay, so it's not only Friday the 13th, it is a full moon, and it's Christine's birthday.
Yay!
So we're going to kick it off with some Halloween taste testing. Okay, so we have the Mountain Dew, VooDew. It's a mystery flavor. So we have the warm one first, room temperature. All right, what's everything smells like?
That smells like berries.
I smell citrus.
Oh.
Yeah, I have like a citrus smell to it.
Maybe it's citrus. I don't know. Maybe my
Lemon.
nose is raw.
All right.
Orange. Now it tastes like strawberry.
It tastes like pop. Like the, you know, the colorful sodas you buy from the cheap corner stores? Like blue pop.
I've
Never had it.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like.
Reminds me of children's Motrin when I was a child.
Children's Motrin. Tastes like.
Didn't say it was bad though.
It's too much like candy for me. It doesn't taste like a soda.
It tastes like strawberries and cream.
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Interesting.
I don't know. It tastes strawberry and creamy.
All right.
No, yeah, it tastes like the blue cream soda pops.
But it doesn't taste like I smelled citrus. Now I don't taste
I
it.
feel like I'm getting it's Halloween communion.
We're practicing.
This one's a little chill. Is this a different
This
flavor
one, no, this one's cold.
now? Oh.
Just see if we can get different flavor out of it.
She was prepared. Room temp and chilled.
No, it's not. It still smells the same.
I feel like it was easier
It
to.
has more of a kick.
More fizzy.
More
I feel like I had more of a flavor.
like,
Yeah,
from
room
temp.
temperature.
More
has
I
more
taste
flavor.
it.
Now I just feel fizzy down my throat.
Like, I don't even know what it is.
It just tastes sweet
Yeah.
with some fizzy going down my throat.
I think I'm gonna agree with I think it tastes like Skittles.
It does taste like
It
Skittles.
tastes too much like
Or,
candy for me.
ooh, could it be like all of the different Starbursts together? At one time?
Maybe it does
Or
kind of taste like the strawberry Starburst.
It kind of reminds me of if you eat Skittles all at the same time.
It has a very processed candy taste.
It is Mountain Dew.
I think so.
Yeah, but Mountain Dew has like a distinct taste. But this legit tastes like.
It tastes like liquid candy.
Yeah. I searched all over for it and I finally found it at Wawa. And the lady behind the counter is like, my friend is like a huge Mountain Dew freak and she was disappointed. And I'm like, ah. But had to try it anyway.
Does it say 2019 on the bottle?
Yes, it does.
Oh, wow. It's a
Collector's
item.
edition. Yeah.
Darn, and you opened it.
I got 3 bottles.
Oh, okay. She's prepared.
I mean, after a while, it goes flat anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll just
people
put a
like to
little bit
display it
color
on their shelf.
It's like Skittles in your mouth.
So do you know the actual flavor of it?
No.
Oh.
I was debating. Some
Oh.
people said Skittles. Some people said like a lemon cream. Some people said candy corn. I don't get candy corn at all.
I was the first person to say children's Motrin.
Yes, I think you are the first person to say children's Motrin.
No, dog urine.
All right, we'll eat our birthday pizza and then we'll go on to the candy.
Alright, sounds
Yum.
good.
All right, what do we want to start with? We want to start with the zombie Skittles.
Let me bring my water to cleanse my palate.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's smart. You have to palate cleanse.
Alright, so, okay. So the red one is blood red berry. So let's try the red.
Red.
Try the
What
red.
is it, like
Red.
Skittles or chocolate?
No, they're Skittles.
Skittles.
What's that?
More like a maroon color.
Alright, at first it tastes like a Twizzler,
It tastes totally like a Twizzler.
but somehow a little stronger.
Why does mine taste like durian?
Like what?
She said it tastes like durian fruit. You don't like it? Why are your sense?
I still have the Twizzler taste in my mouth.
I don't taste Twizzlers at all.
I don't taste berry. Did I pick the right
I don't
one?
even know what. What's the durian?
I need to
Durian's
taste
that
another.
stinky fruit from Asia.
I've never had it.
It's the spiky one. I'm like,
I don't get berry. I just get sweet.
wait, which one did you try? Or maybe I picked up a different one.
No, I had like a
it's the
very
red one.
licorice.
Actually, there is.
Is there some random durian?
Okay.
Durian.
No, that's
Alright.
the purple one.
I'm sorry. There is a sixth flavor. It's just a question mark. They don't tell you what color it is, so you might have gotten it. That one is just called Rotten Zombie.
Oh, you got the rotten one.
Durian. Try another red. Try
Oh,
another red.
it's like
See if it tastes different.
That was like Twizzlers.
it's like we.
It's like Harry Potter.
Oh, this one. This is a Twizzler.
Okay, so you got the Rotten Zombie. Okay.
I was like, Twizzlers
So
like
what
durian.
flavor are we
All right.
doing
So
next?
apparently, Rotten Zombie tastes like
Durian.
durian fruit.
What's the
Alright.
next?
No, it makes
Okay.
sense as a rotten smell.
Let's
Yeah,
see.
it's like-
There's mostly green on top, so let's
Green.
do green, which is
No, this one tastes
mummified
like.
melon.
We'll get a green.
Mummified melon.
We're doing green.
I wasn't aware that there was a mystery flavor until I tried
I-
it.
I was like, why are you saying it tastes like durian fruit?
All right, mummified melon.
Watch, then I'm gonna get one. No,
Mm.
it tastes like honeydew.
Yeah.
Honeydew.
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 Okay.
It had a
Honeydew.
very Asian candy twang to it.
100.
I can't believe my
It's
first.
an Asian Skittles. Yeah, Dorian.
I know the very first
I
one
was
you
like
tried.
shocked. I was like,
This was mango steam.
All right, orange is petrifying citrus punch.
Orange. Orange.
I'm waiting to get a rotten zombie now, so I know what that fruit tastes like.
I know. Ew.
it tastes like durian.
Oh,
Mine
God.
did not taste like orange at
Oh
all.
god,
Durian.
that's horrible.
Was it durian?
It was not orange. It was like armpit tasting a little bit.
Oh.
That was my first impression when I bit into the first one. I'm like, why does it taste like an armpit?
Oh, so they're like the bamboozle jelly beans. That's what they're doing in the middle of this, with giving you nasty flavors like
No, I was so
dog
confused.
food. Ridden.
When you
All
guys
right, try
said,
real orange.
Where's
Try.
But if this is a fake orange again, I'm gonna be really upset.
That didn't taste like durian for me. It tasted like armpit.
You make
Oh,
a
that's
habit-
orange.
You make a habit of licking armpits to know what that tastes like.
Yeah.
at least durian's a fruit.
Do you want a real orange? If you get another Dorian,
Well,
I'm
see, now,
very
like, that's what
sorry.
I'm saying. It's like,
I would love if you got a second one.
No, it's orange
wait,
now.
what? Yeah, it's orange now.
Okay.
It was like the initial taste. I was like worried for it.
You go no.
No, like
All right.
Hey, but it didn't taste like
Purple?
The purple is chilling black cherry.
Well, now Amanda needs to get one
I'm
nasty
not-
one.
You're gonna
So
take
I like
some
that we
now.
got them together, Will.
I got it first and I wasn't even aware that
This
was
is
there.
black cherry.
black cherry.
Grape.
Jinxed me. Oh. I don't even. Oh.
6 normal Skittles, you guys.
Oh my god, that's nasty.
Like, you want a real one? Oh, it's very cherry.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Like,
is
oh
it
my
cherry? or
god.
Is it?
Mm-mm, cherry. And
It's
very,
cherry then.
very sour.
I'm very cherry, but I'm not a big fan of this flavor.
It's very sour.
That's not even armpit. I don't even know what that is. Give me.
Blue?
It's giving me Robitussin vibes.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
it
why I don't
does
like it. It
taste
tastes
like
like
the
cough
Tussin.
Why am
I feel like I have cough
Cough syrup, yeah.
syrup.
Why am I
Well,
comparing
yeah.
it to medicines?
No.
children's Motrin.
You should have been a
No,
doctor.
that does taste like some kind of cough
Blue.
medicine.
I don't know what the blue is, guys.
All right, blue is Boogeyman Blackberry.
It's good.
I'm scared.
It's nice.
Mm.
I like it.
I like this one too.
Oh, come on. I swallowed it. I
No.
chewed.
I was very happy I got a tasty one.
All right, that doesn't taste like blackberry to me, but
Like blueberry.
oh maybe yeah. I think
Okay.
it's more blueberry than
Ooh.
blackberry.
I got
We should
like,
have a cup that we spit into and pass it.
that was
That's
nasty.
trifling, dude.
Yeah, well, then again, I ate.
You know what?
So
Too is when I picked that blue one, it was a different color blue than the other ones. So I feel like if you go and spread them out, you might be able to tell which ones are the nasty ones, which ones are the good ones.
Yeah,
It's like slightly
slightly
off
different in color.
It was darker blue, and I was like, let me take that.
Oh, yeah, KitKats.
Oh, at least we know
Well,
it's
we can go wrong
pumpkin
with
pie.
these. Yeah.
And then Skittles by.
That's cute. Look at the
Ooh,
river.
pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
I was hoping KitKat.
KitKat.
Pumpkin pie.
Oh, that's an interesting looking KitKat.
What color is it? Oh.
It is orange.
Guys, it's orange.
No, they have orange dye Kit
Oh.
Kats.
That
Ooh,
smells
no,
like
no.
pumpkin.
It smells like pumpkin. I smell cinnamon
That
Mm.
definitely.
and nutmeg.
That's pumpkin pie.
Wow.
Just like a strong taste of pumpkin pie.
Mm. And then it's the wafer part's like the crust.
Very good.
Right.
Did you
I taste crust in there too, like pie crust.
I think that's because of the wafer.
Very good.
Huh.
Alright,
I like those.
Yeah, I could.
I'd rather eat these than pumpkin pie on Thanksgiving.
And honestly, it's like sweet enough. You just need one.
Yeah, I don't think I could eat more than
Yeah.
one at a time.
That tastes more like pumpkin pie than most pumpkin pie I've ever had. What's that?
I've actually never had pumpkin
Alright.
pie.
This is pumpkin pie M&Ms.
You did just now.
Oh, it's good then.
Oh, I need to clench my palate. I'm taking two.
Yeah, me too. These are cute.
What if one of them tastes like durian? M&M's trying to be funny too. Like Will's face right now is so scared.
Yeah, because that was a bad taste.
I had it twice.
That's the only trick one. Okay, that's the only trick one. I was thinking of getting the bean boozled for my Halloween party and see
What
if anyone
flavor
would
is
do it. Pumpkin pie.
Very light on the pumpkin.
It has like caramelly type.
No, I'm just getting white chocolate.
Yeah. I could have put
I
my
don't
tongue on
taste
it.
pumpkin at all.
Ooh, it just looks like white chocolate in the middle. It's just white chocolate.
I don't get pumpkin at all.
I don't
Or
know.
it could be because I just had the real pumpkin.
I just have like white chocolate with like I have like a hint of cinnamon going on, but not really pumpkin.
Like, you know how you're tone deaf on taste stuff? Like, I don't pick out subtle flavors. Alright,
Well,
pumpkin
Corinne
pie.
is a master chef.
Oh, no, no.
Marshmallow.
I forgot I was Master Chef. I'm gonna pick one that's like
So it's like two layers.
ooh,
It's
white
big.
and brown. So
It smells like a candle.
does
Fall
both
candle.
sides have different flavors?
It's like super springy and fluffy.
it is very fluffy.
Not a fan of the smell.
Yeah, it reminds me of a fall candle.
Smells like an old person's house.
Like I feel like it should smell like leaves that I'm.
I don't like the way it tastes either. I'm very picky, you guys. I complain a lot too.
I don't know
Yeah,
what it tastes
like,
like. I don't
the
think pumpkin
aftertaste is
pie.
bad.
Tastes like an old person.
That's what I'm saying.
You know what we were talking about with the plastic
It's like the last
flavor?
time I tasted an elderly person.
Guys, you know when we were doing the popcorn the other day and I said I had that plastic film on the roof of my mouth? I have that right now with us.
Yeah,
Oh,
that was trifling.
oh, yeah.
Kit
Can we get our
Kat.
money back?
And will you want the rest?
KitKat was good.
Mm-mm.
That was not.
What would you rather eat, the durian skittle or
The
this?
durian Skittle.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll take the marshmallow over that.
I like durian
Hey
though.
Oreo, you want
I
Alright.
I don't.
Does anyone want to try the Cadbury eggs?
I think that's all you.
Yeah,
Because you haven't had one
All right.
before.
I've never tried one in my life. I'm probably. We have a paper towel I can spit into.
Is it just chocolate or is there a flavor to it?
So it's like
It's-
filled chocolate.
Yeah, it's like got a cream center and a yolk.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. No.
I've
I
never
like
tried.
Cadbury eggs.
I need more
You
water.
want to try one?
They're exactly the same, right? There's no special flavor. It's just a regular one. Just stick
Go.
it out.
Yeah, it's a different color.
Oh man, they make-
I'd rather have another KitKat right now. I enjoyed that.
It's like ectoplasm flavor.
We're gonna put the
The flavor I have in my mouth right now, I really don't like.
palate cleanser.
Yeah, I
Have
really
another
like-
tomato pie. I think I'm good for now.
Now I'm gonna have one of these.
All right.
Because
Ooh, don't break
water's
the
not doing it.
It'll pop all over the place. You gotta be
Oh,
careful.
Oh, it's green.
Oh.
Probably just a regular one with food coloring.
Probably.
But I've never had Cadbury egg.
Yeah.
It is. It's a normal Cadbury egg.
I don't think I got much of the cream in it with it, but
Yeah, it's a normal Cadbury egg.
I think the cream's not bad, but the chocolate is too chocolatey for me.
Oh really?
There's 2 milk chocolate. Yes.
Yeah, it's very,
There's
very
chocolate.
thick.
I didn't realize how thick the
Very
chocolate
thick
wall
milk
is.
chocolate. Yeah.
I don't like.
If this was like a dark chocolate, like
Yeah, that
a
would
60
be
or 80%
delicious.
one.
Ooh.
Yes.
I feel like my KitKat needs some dark chocolate. It'll make it even better. Cadbury egg.
All right.
Wow, so many treats.
All right. Followed up with Reese's palate cleanser.
Guys, these are the giant king size.
Oh shoot.
No, there's 2 in there.
How much sugar is out?
There's 2 in. Oh, never. Oh, it's cute. It's a pumpkin face.
Oh, I wish it kind of looks like.
Man, a turd.
I wish it looked like the wrapper and it had a little chocolate in it.
No. Oh, it's Reese's Pieces. Oh, it smells
There, Amanda. I have a lot of peanut butter.
Or after it almost looks like a Take 5.
Oh yeah, those are good.
All right, so we have the peanut butter pumpkin with the Reese's Pieces.
And it looks like an
Oh, it's a
oval.
pumpkin.
It's
Yeah.
an oval.
I have to eat
Not
it before
very-
it melts.
They like took the Easter egg and sort of put a
Wait,
style on
where
it.
is it? I don't
I
see
could
the
be
Reese's
honest.
Pieces in it.
I don't know.
I'll put crunch. I got one.
Oh,
I have one.
It's in my mouth. I taste the candy shell.
Mm-hmm.
This I get behind.
These I love.
This palate cleanser.
Mm.
And more durian fruit.
Skittles. That wasn't cool.
It's delicious.
Peanut butter.
Why are the shapes so much better? Like, I'd rather the shapes than the regular peanut butter cups.
The peanut butter cups are kind of a pain to eat if they're like melted too. They're messy.
I'm sad I
Yeah,
haven't had any Reese's Pieces.
You got none? I have like, there's like 2 right here. And there was one right there because there's a little divot.
I didn't physically see mine, but I could taste the shell. Like once I bite into it.
But I see one right
Did
there.
you taste like a crunch or anything?
No, but it's good.
Hers is defective.
They're a lot smaller, the Reese's Pieces,
Hers is like
than normal ones.
It's good.
I have to say
I
that.
don't like the marshmallows. Like everything's okay other than the marshmallows.
Yeah, I was able to have everything except.
That durian fruit is. Ugh.
I mean, I wasn't a fan of that.
Probably the
Yeah.
marshmallows were
No,
my least.
I don't.
For
like
me, I
marshmallows.
prefer the durian thing or armpit rather than.
I'd rather eat armpit than
Yeah.
SmashMallow.
I literally thought something was wrong with me when I tried it, and you guys were like, "These like Twizzlers," and I was like, "Does it taste like
You're
a
like,
Twizzler?"
ugh.
You're like, no, it doesn't.
Yeah, I swallowed it too. Like,
I was trying so hard, and I was just like,
You're like, get my taste off from.
"Am I missing something?"
What am I missing? I don't know.
Final thoughts.
Most of them were good. I really didn't care for the SmashMallow pumpkin pie flavored ones, and I didn't really care for the M&Ms, but I did like the Skittles, except the durian flavored one. And what else did we have? The KitKats were good as well. And the Reese's peanut butter cups were really good too.
Even though you didn't get any pieces.
Yeah, I didn't get any pieces, but it was still delicious. So I would recommend those. Corinne, what are your thoughts?
Oh, my thoughts? Let's see. The SmashMallows, no, at all. I didn't like the texture, I didn't like the smell, and I didn't like the taste. The M&Ms, I just thought I was eating white chocolate with like some cinnamon. The Skittles, yeah, I liked it, minus getting the durian fruit one twice. And the KitKats, I felt like I was eating a pumpkin pie, but it was candy, so for some reason it was better than pumpkin pie. And the last was Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups, which I always love, and I have a lot of Reese's Pieces in mine.
Avoid the marshmallows at all costs. Total waste of money. Try to get a refund if you can. Write the letter to corporate asking for money back. Tell them to discontinue the product. It's disgusting. The Skittles, I actually enjoyed it. The armpit one was I mean, I don't know. I'm Asian. We eat durian. So for me, it's kind of like, it's another thing. The Reese's peanut butter cup that's shaped like a pumpkin, that just tasted like a Reese's peanut cup. Reese's Pieces peanut butter cup. God, I'm tongue tied. It tasted like what you would expect it to be, with a little extra candy crunch to it that you get from the outer shells. M&Ms were M&Ms. I didn't mind them too much. The KitKat was very good. Like Corinne said earlier, I would probably eat that over an actual pumpkin pie. It had like a nice cakey texture to it too. Almost like a crust, yeah. Cadbury eggs are just the Cadbury eggs. They just added food coloring in the center. And that's about it, I think, right? Did I touch all the bases?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, like the SmashMallow, I got Joseph, I think it was the cookies and cream, and I've seen s'mores, and they were good. And you said you like mint that they have around Christmas, but no, pumpkin pie ones, I don't know. And like, what's with the two-tone flavor? Are they usually two-tone?
Mine, no, because they had the peppermint has like a peppermint sugar on it, and then the inside is just white.
Well, this shows it kind of like a half and half,
Like it's
but
whipped cream.
yeah, like it's whipped cream. But the one I got was kind of diagonal, and it wasn't like I don't know. I didn't like them. The KitKats were really good, but I think I couldn't eat more than one because it's very strong. But it is good. I like the way it kind of does taste like pie crust in there. The Skittles, I feel bad throwing out the Skittles because like they're Skittles, but I'm so afraid of getting another one of those. Yeah, and the Cadbury eggs. Yeah, they're Cadbury eggs. I guess I've never tried one, but I think dark chocolate would be better. Oh my god, Cadbury eggs would be so good if they were dark chocolate. And the soda. I don't know. It tastes like liquefied Skittles. I guess it's okay. Like, I wouldn't like drink a whole bottle. Like, I would down a Coke. Like, I don't know. All right, so happy birthday, Christine.
Thank you.
Happy Friday the 13th. Remember to sell out your moon water. See you next time. Trying to sort out the key to telling which one's the bad one.
No, the one was.
I'm good at picking the bad ones.
Like, is this one? Because these look like two different colors to me.
Yeah, I can kind of see the one on the right is
Let me try.
darker.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So which one was it? Was it the darker one or the lighter one? Which one did you pick up?
I think it was a lighter. That's normal.
All right, so can you tell with any other colors?
Yeah, give me a durian one.
No, hold on. Because I literally had one that I was like, they're two different colors. But now, I don't see anything. These don't
I
look.
want a durian one.
I just had one. I mean, it's right there.
It's open for a door.
You want one? It's right there.
One that's not chewed up.
I'm trying to. Now I'm trying to figure it out. Because, like, that literally, it had, like, 2 different colors to me.
That one looks a little off colored, right?
I don't know. There's so many of these.
They're probably all durian.
Like, I'm trying to see if there's anything.
Toss it my way because I want to try it. Wow,
Like, I don't see anything that's, like, different with this one. But that one, there was, like, a distinct light and dark
I like how
with
they
it.
gave us so many of everything except for the blue ones.
I'm trying to tell with the blue.
I saved this well.
Like,
You
is that one Dorian?
Oh, so saved.
Give it the Will try.
We'll try this one.
Is that what? Give me a second.
Yeah, it says unsaved.
Is that
I'm
one?
wondering where it went.
No.
No. Damn.
So close.
Maybe this green.
You can hold on to it.
Oh. Like that one I picked that was blue, it was a lot darker than those other ones. And then those the other two that I had next to each other was different.
I'm had to resend it as a different type of
Oh,
No,
so
see, that was regular.
saved that video
I don't know.
before.
I feel like the color's off a little bit though. When the color's off a little bit, it ends up being one of the durian.
You mean-
Eat it, Corinne.
Meaning when I hope you are the one that tastes like toes. No, it tastes like